high-ticket affiliate marketing how-to. If you want to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, then you need to start thinking about high-ticket items. By selling higher-priced items or products, you can earn significantly more commission per sale. And in this video, we will discuss high-ticket affiliate marketing, how to, as a mortgage broker, insurance broker, a tax preparer, anyone ready to take action. What steps you would take if you were that entrepreneur or anyone trying to figure out an online business, if you've done it before or just trying it out for the first time. This video is for you. The purpose of High Ticket Affiliate Marketing YouTube channel is to help entrepreneurs, to action takers, to educate how to leave your 9-to-5 job, to work from home, and to create a real passive income using a side hustle idea and high ticket affiliate marketing. If this is of interest to you, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and follow the channel. And make sure you sign up for the Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire Coaching Program December at 7 p.m. and learn the 3-step system to help with your online success. The link here is in the bio. So, however, it can be more challenging to sell high-ticket items versus lower-priced items. So why you need coaching is to help you succeed and understand it and take it to the next level. At High Ticket Affiliate Marketing How-To, we'll give you those tools, and I'm going to give you the strategies. I'm going to give you what you need to boost your affiliate earnings and show how to promote a product, how to market it effectively, and how to close the sale. All of that information is going to be handled in the training with the Wealth Warriors Elite Empire Coaching Program on December the 19th. So you can take your affiliate marketing business to the next level so you're ready to start earning with all these different side hustle opportunities today. So why should you do this? Now, people are making money, y'all. I mean, you can make $1,000 per month. I mean, learning how to drive traffic into your product is what is going to be key for your success. So let's start with affiliate marketing. So what the concept of affiliate marketing is when you promote a product and receive a commission based on that recommendation from a product owner. So you can recommend by using word of mouth, but right now with 5 trillion being transacted online, social media is a large place for traffic. So for example, my business partner came in, we've been talking about getting a chef in meal preparation and eating healthy. So we discovered this company called Factor, okay? Factor actually has